All right, now this page we can talk about quality score and kind of how it affects our cost per clicks throughout the account. So first things first, you're going to want to go to your Data Studio report and grab this quality score analysis stuff here. So you just want to grab that, and it really visualizes the keyword health on the account overall. Oops. Let's make sure we're in view mode. And this is, let's do the last 14 days as well. Not much changed. So just grab this, copy, paste this in here. All right. So this grabs all of the keywords, and you can either just export this as a sheet and take a deeper dive. And you can kind of show them what keyword or like what count. All right, so that's the first one. Most is in the average range. And then we have another version of the quality score report that gets kind of like a trend line of the higher your quality score, usually the less you have to pay for the average CPC. So here, yeah, so you can basically see kind of like the overall trend of keyword quality score and average CPC. So you can see keywords with a very low quality score, you're going to be paying more. But these tens over here, you're paying way, way less. Sevens, way less. And you can see the click-through rate on the tens is like 14%, sevens is 5. So there's a direct correlation between cost per click and quality score. And that's very interesting to look at. Let's see. Then you want to put the analysis in here. Yeah, you can just, actually, you'd want to see, and you can actually see the search keyword here too as well. You just export this sheets, and let's sort this by cost data, sort range by cost. Mm. So you can see some of the keywords without quality score. A lot of them are in the average range. And this can be because it's not on the landing page in a multitude of different factors. So this is definitely something I want to highlight here. Can be improved with keywords on landing page and fast and faster speeds. So that's what you want to look at with the quality score. It really humbles you and gives you a good idea of how the account's doing overall, because this is what you're going to be spending on. So you definitely want to tell this to the client.